Do you not see many things unfolding? Yeah, I'm just talking to the world. Don't you see that things are beginning to unfold? UK, United States, accusing former president of Nigeria, Buhari, Okechukwu Nyeribo, Mohammed. United States, UK, they're accusing him of funding Ebubago, the security outfit that killed many innocent Igbo youths in the recent times. Are you not seeing something unfolding? I think they are preparing to take him to ICC, International Criminal Court. Listen and listen good. Ebubago funding is not the only crime Buhari committed in Igbo land. Invasion of Kanu's compound, over 360 Igbo youths were shot down. We are shot dead by Nigerian military clique. Ordered by who? Buhari. They invaded Kanu's father's palace and killed many Igbo youths. Don't you see many things unfolding? Someone is going to take Buhari to ICC. Nigerian government, Nigerian president, they think that they are above the law. Okay? United Nations persists anybody on earth. NATO persists any country as United Nations persists any country on the earth. Things are beginning to unfold. When Buhari was just acting, committing all manner of criminalities in Igbo land, bloody one, he thought that nobody should ask him why. It is unfolding. What's just come up from UK and United Nations is just a child play. Time is coming when all criminalities committed by Buhari administration in the southeastern Nigeria should be looked into. I think justice must take its course on him. Buhari is not above the law. A man that cannot boast of WAEC at least certificate can never be above the law because he's acting everything he's doing outside Nigerian constitution and international law. The same pact or treaty entered by Nigeria, Buhari violated it totally. One, by abducting Kanu from Nairobi. He violated international law. It has not occurred to him that United Nations has the clause to come to go to Daura there and get him arrested. He doesn't know because he's a Nigerian military man, a Fulani man that didn't have formal education. No WAEC result. They allow him at Asari office. He messed everything up there for 8 years. Ozuzulu Putadia. Na Niger. Beha. He left that office and went to Niger. That is what I just spoke in Igbo language. Nigeria is their Nigeria. Nigeria is not my Nigeria. I listen to me. I'm from southeastern Nigeria. I've never felt anything about federal government. Come to my place, no road. It was our politicians under Governor Greg Obi that constructed that road for many years. Oga, federal government doesn't feed Igbo man, it doesn't feed me in another state. Oga, what I'm trying to say is that Samonapa, you see, was born out of Biafra war. When Biafra war was raging in the southeastern Nigeria, Igbo man was, bent on defending himself. Nigerian soldiers, they went to the southeast, killing everybody. These people were defending themselves. So what I'm trying to say is that an idea doesn't die. Idea is based on ideology. Idea is like spirit. It's an abstract thing. You can't see it. It lives inside you. It lives inside every Igbo man. See, let me tell you. Whosoever will die, will die. Biafra remains. Whosoever will like to crucify himself or hang himself should hurry up and do it now. Because emancipation of Biafra is coming. If someone is telling you December this, December that, it might happen August. We are fighting for freedom. Nigeria is not a place to stay. Igbo man is tired. We are done with this kind of arrangement, whereby only one-sided people, only one region will be managing this country while the other regions are neglected. See, let me tell you, how do you see what happened last year? How did you see it? I mean, presidential election, you are looking at it. The election conducted last year, was it the right election? Was it supposed to be like that? Okay, wait, what GSN, Ariwola and Co, what Mary Odele and Co, the judges, what they did, is it the right thing? You think that the whole world are not watching? No, what INEC did, that's the right thing, Abi. INEC tried, Abi. Huh? Oga time has come. Whatever a man does in his lifetime, my leave must spring up when he's alive, in his lifetime, or when he goes. Are you listening to me? Nnamdi Kanu, they are holding in prison. Somebody that is coming after Nnamdi Kanu is more brutal. No, let me tell you, that guy is a good man. They should allow Simon Ekpa to be. Simon Ekpa is the one that is rekindling the flame of Biafra so that it doesn't go down. The flame of Biafra is burning. The fire is raging. And Biafra is springing up. Come what it may. Nigerian soldiers, they are wasting time now. What they should have done is that they should have come to the southeast and kill everybody. They are still wasting time. What they did 57 years ago, let them go and repeat it now. Nobody is afraid of anybody. Okay? Nigeria is their Nigeria. Nigeria is not my Nigeria. I listen to me. I'm from southeastern Nigeria. I've never felt anything about federal government. Come to my place, no road. It was our politicians under Governor Greg Obi that constructed that road for many years. Okay, federal government doesn't feed Igbo man, it doesn't feed me in an Anambra state. So I don't care. I owe government nothing. There is freedom of speech. I listen to freedom of movement everywhere. But there's a level a man should go to oppress his neighbor. Everything has expiring dates. If Biafra is their problem, they should prepare to hit their head on the rock. Biafra, MUST must come. Quote me right.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, Samalekwa is absolutely right. As a complete Igbo man that I am, and the son of the soil, they do not borrow me. Come to East. No? That's what the Igbos call Ohu. I don't know how to describe it in English. I don't know. But what they call Osu, I'm not Osu. I mean, the Igbos that is diaspora that listen to me now, watching me live now, they will understand what I'm talking. I'm not Osu, I'm not Ohu. I'm complete Igbo man. I suck my mother breast. Complete. I'm son of the soil. Complete Igbo man from Anambra State. Samalekwa is absolutely right. All those our leaders, so-called leaders in the East, they are not a leaders. They are not a leader. What they are doing is after they have their selfish interest. Tell me the shipment that have brought to the East. Those senators that are making noise, looking for more states. What state? What state are we looking for? Is it not that they break? Now they don't break. But they are clamoring for states to add more 2 states or whatever. They are just making noise for nothing. What they know that they're making is for their selfish interest, for their political agenda. Do they care what the masses are suffering in the East? Where our mothers and fathers and our youth are suffering in the East? Where the federal government of Nigeria abandoned that region for over decades. Abandoned that region. There are no single project coming from federal government of Nigeria as far as that southeast part of the country is concerned. Now, no single thing that federal government of Nigeria have done that part of that region. No single. All those senators and the governors, let them come and tell me the single thing. They can only tell me the second Niger bridge, flyover. Is that bridge? That's what they tell me. The federal government of Nigeria have done to East after Nigeria Biafra war. There's no single thing that have done in the East. No single project. The federal government in the East. Nothing. Nothing. What are they calling for? Come money for other states. What they're supposed to fight for the state, they do not fight. You see now? The senators and the governors are the House of Representatives that we have in the East. They are clamoring for their selfish interests. Their selfish interest, that's what they are clamoring for. That's what they are crying for. Their selfish interests. Nothing else. We don't need any state. We don't need any state. What we need is freedom. So that they use that one and not to disorganize what I mean, the good project, I mean the good plan that we have in the east, that we have, the Igbos have. I mean the real Igbos. I don't believe all those stupid Igbos who don't know where they come from. Though the mama tell they say, the papa from here, or papa from Olu, or papa from Anambra. Though that no, haven't touched this, haven't touched their papa land, haven't know where they come from the east. The way they are making noise. They don't want to achieve the state to Easterners. You see what they want to acquire money for now? When we are complaining, where are them? Where are them? Where are them when we are complaining that this cheating is so much? How can only the Igbos have only 2 states in Nigeria? Then they use that opportunity to suppress the Easterners, to marginalize the Easterners. Now they are shouting for the selfish interest. We don't need that. That's not what we are crying money for now. No. What we will cry money now is freedom. Whether they give us a state or not. He cannot solve Biafra. Whether they add more states in the east. That way that one cannot solve Biafra. Biafra will surely come to say. Whether they like it or not. When you took one blood a child, and raise the hand up. When the hand begins to touch, he will surely bring it down. The hand must surely come down. The child will touch the blood. That is it. Who don't need that second state? Whether they give us or not, what we need is freedom. That's what they are crying. What did the real Igbos are crying for? Because we know what we are passing through in this country. We are in torments. We are in torments in this country. Yes. They don't take us as a human being. They don't recognize us. I mean, when you reach the Igbo store to collect the meat, they will say, no, go and share them. Go and share the meat. That's Nigeria for you. Anything concerning the Igbo man, the Easterners, they will say, we share them. And they have collected their own meat. They have collected their own tongue. Reach Igbo man to collect, they will say, no, we share them. Is that one Nigeria? Where do you see one Nigeria? Where they're messing Igbos up. And you're telling me that the state that will solve the problem of Nigeria or solve the problem of the Easterners? No. We need to be free. We need to be free. So that we will see challenge. Let them have their country. Let me have my own country. So that we see challenge. Who know who is who? Who know who is who? Yes. Let them give me freedom. That's the freedom that I claim. I don't need that state. If they like, they give me. If they don't like, I don't want it. But what I need is freedom. Biafra. A state or no state cannot solve Biafra. As a son of the soil that I am, I can never deny my origin. God forbid. Freedom is the key. Thank you very much.
Now, Manaba is agitating for his right to set free his people in the southeastern Nigeria, and nobody has seen it right. Boko Haram and bandits that have been killing and maiming and some people, innocent people in the north. How many times has the chief of defense staff, Musa Muewu, has concluded to go to the north to fight those people orchestrating or sponsoring banditry and terrorism in the north? He has looked and considered beyond our international boundary. Now it is Finland, an advanced country. You want to go to Finland? You want to discuss with the Finnish about their own citizens? Someone Ekpa is because he's an Igbo man.
Although they say they are backing him, that's why he's doing.
They are backing him now because Finland was in this situation Biafra was before. Musa, the chief of defense staff, You know, I don't have problem analyzing Nigerian politics. The reason why I don't have problem is that because I know that most of the politicians, most of the military men in Nigeria are ethnic bigots. They don't squarely serve Nigeria. What they do is that they just, you know, do their best only for their people. Only for the particular extraction where they come from is where they are bending all their political activities, all their political benefits, all the profiteering government business. They just channel it to the extraction, the region where they come from. Musa is a northerner in the military. Instead of minding what is happening in the north, actually what Simon Ekpa is fighting for is quite different from what Boko Haram and bandits are fighting for in the north. Simon is a man I know that is fighting for exploitations, over marginalization, persecutions, decimations, annihilation of Igbo man in the southeastern hemisphere of this country. But look at the way Chief of Defense Staff is handling this question. He wants to get a marching order from the presidency in conjunction or collaboration with Finland government to extradite Ekpa so that they will cut Ekpa's head. If an Igbo man dies, Hausa Fulani rejoices. If an Igbo man goes down, people from other ethnic extractions, they jubilate.